Good day, everyone. I am Joe Cruos, and welcome to my newly updated Notion template, the Reading Tracker. For this tutorial, I will guide you on how to get started with your new template. Before we start, I would like to encourage you to buy the Reading Tracker Pro version, which has pro features like achievements, Pomodoro timer, and 109 plus book covers. Now, once you've accessed the template, I recommend you read the following tutorial guide as shown here. However, since you are watching this video, you can just try to follow this video instead. Upon opening the Notion template, you must go to the database and remove any pre-made mockup content. Upon opening, try to hover to the upper rightmost of the table and tick off the checkbox that will show. This will select all of the items, and now, you can just try to delete them using the delete button. Then, just do the same for the others. For this, I do not recommend removing the genre since it is related to the achievements database. Now, let's try to create a year by going to the home page and clicking the Add Year button. Here, we can change its name. Let me call it 2025 Goals. Additionally, I recommend you go to the Achievements section and activate your achievements. This will allow you to participate in the achievements, which will automatically add awards when you achieve a milestone like reading your very first book of the year. Now, let's try to add authors by clicking the Add Author button. Let's try to add some famous authors. Each author page will allow you to manage their works. On the authors page, you can see all your authors along with the number of works. Moving on, let's try to create a reading. Here, you can fill in the details like the corresponding year goal, author, type, genre, and number of pages. Each page allows you to manage the book as a whole. Once you're satisfied with the additions, you may look at the years page and pin your year goal to the home page so that you can easily track your progress. Once done, you can now try to start reading. In the library, choose a book and change its status from planning to in progress. This will automatically put it in your bookshelf, which shows the books you are currently reading. Opening the book, you can access different features. You may add reading objectives to track your goals, and you may also add materials like links and other resources. It also features a Pomodoro timer, which allows you to time yourself. You can also play music by clicking any of these buttons. If you want to change the music, you could click the settings button and change the embedded link as shown here. You can also add quotes, which you can pin to the home page. Finally, the reading desk allows you to manage and essentially annotate each section of the material. Upon reading, you can update your current page by inputting your current page number. This will automatically update the progress of your book. However, one thing to point out is that the pages in page goal must be from a finished book, so any progress in pages is not automatically reflected in your year goal. Once you finish reading, you can then label it as done, where it will automatically reflect in your reading goals. As you can see in the year page, there are new achievements that have been added. Finally, once a book is labeled as done, you can also rate it in the ratings page. Here, I will rate it as 5 stars, which moves it to the rated section. A 5-star rating will guarantee that the book will be in the favorite section, as shown here. Alternatively, you may also archive some books, which will be shown in the archive page. Before I end this video, let me just finish off all these books to demonstrate to you how the achievements work. As you can see, the achievements will automatically update as you finish more books. It also has a personality badge, which describes your favorite genre of the year. To know more about the achievements, you may check the tutorial page. That is all for this video, and thank you for watching.